Let me show you how Ponderless works. First, the white line in the middle acts as a virtual timing gate. Adjust the position of the line, then tap the round button on the right until it turns red. Once recording is active, every time a rider passes in front of the camera, Ponderless automatically saves a photo and a timestamp. I'm using a tripod here, but it's not required. As long as the rider stays visible on the screen, Ponderless can usually detect the pass successfully. Ponderless works completely offline. No GPS, no internet connection, and no mobile signal are required. You can use it at remote tracks or deep in the mountains just the same. After your riding session, tap the blue button in the upper right corner to open the pass list. Then tap Select and choose your own pass photos. In this example, I skipped pass number 4 because it was recorded almost at the same time as pass number 3. Ponderless will automatically calculate your lap times. Finally, tap Save to store the results as a session. You can keep multiple sessions, compare different riding days, or even compare your results with friends. No transponder, no timing gate, just an iPhone.